I haven't even been able to mod my car, bruh. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris, back at it again. Hope everything's good. Hope that y'all doing good, you know. All that good stuff. Alright, so today we're going to be replacing the alternator to the Mustang, which sucks because, like I said in the beginning, I haven't even been able to mod the car. I guess you can count the clutch and the coil packs, but that's only because the car was misfiring. And I guess you can count the adjustable clutch too, but I'm talking about bolt-ons. So I haven't been able to do basic bolt-ons because this car has given me nothing but issues. But it's okay because it's a project car and I asked for it, so what more can I say? Here it is, y'all. It's a PA Performance alternator, 130 amp. Those are more car parts. I lied. This is a spark plug socket and this is a universal socket. Never mind. No car parts. No car parts. Okay, guys, I'm not going to explain too much because it's just a basic alternator install. But one tip that I did learn is you don't want to screw these two bolts all the way out. So you just want to let the alternator rest. So that's why you don't have to hold the alternator and then screw the screws back in. It just makes a whole lot more work. So just leave these two screws, but just take them out just a little bit, just so the alternator sits. And remember, disconnect your battery. I don't know if you guys could tell the difference, but this one's hella dirty. That one's flat, powder coated, flat black. Like I was talking about, leave those two bolts on there so you don't have to make more work for yourself and trying to hold the alternator and put those back in. So just like I said before, loosen them up, lift the alternator up, and you're good. New alternator is on. All the bolts are tightened down. Make sure you connect your cable, reconnect your battery. I'm about to start it up and see if I did this right. Alright, y'all, it's the moment of truth. Make sure you're in neutral because you don't want what happened to me. Oh shit! Alright. Aw, shit. Anti-theft, hold on. Yes, sir! We're gonna let this thing warm up and then we're gonna drive it. I think we're recording. I don't know. Let's go drive this thing around. Hopefully the lights don't come on. The battery meter is reading high, so I might need a new belt to get a longer belt so the alternator works less because the belt is kind of tight. Probably gonna go run and grab a new belt. If the light pops up, I'll go get a belt. But if it doesn't, then I won't. I feel another issue in the car coming up. It feels like my clutch pedal almost gets stuck to the floor. What the hell? Ferrari. It's a nice little Ferrari too, damn. Nice. Sounds nice.
How do you like your Mustang?
I love it. Man, it sounds like everybody got the old schools out today.
You got it. What'd it do?
What? It's not much. It doesn't do nothing much.
Huh?
It doesn't do anything.
That's some rude.
It's not supercharged though. It's naturally aspirated.
You can't say it don't do something.
Hey, it
Give
pulls.
us a sample. Just give us a sample.
All right. Okay, so no lights as of now. No lights, and that's the e-brake light, so don't trip. So, what the hell? Why is this so dark? Got it. Okay, alright. So, oh damn, then there's a glare. Hopefully you guys don't hear from me soon. Hopefully it's a new video. If the light does come on, I'll include it in this video. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but as of now, as of today, as I've replaced the alternator, as I've replaced the alternator about an hour ago, usually it would come on right away within, like, I want to say 15 minutes. So I've been driving it for about 30-40 minutes, so close to an hour. My next solution would be to get a new belt, maybe a looser one, not a looser one, sorry, a shorter one. I mean, no. What the hell am I talking about? To get a longer one, so the alternator works less, because this is a higher output alternator, slightly higher, but it's basically an OE replacement. All right, then, y'all. I'll catch y'all next video, and y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a good day. Peace.
I put my money on casino.